Now next point is classification of Lewis acids. Now when we have taken Lewis acids, first of all here that is all simple cations can be taken. Now simple cations means here that is Ni2 plus, again Cu2 plus, again you should take here that is Ag plus, H plus. These calcium 2 plus, all they can be acted as the acids. Now generally again when we have taken as a that is the small size containing, that is the size which possesses very small, they can be acted as the hard acids. Again the size is large, they can be acted as the you can say soft acids. Hard and soft acids can be taken here. That is you can say weak acid, strong acid, they will be taken. When we have taken as a size is a small, this acid is called as hard acids. When the size is large, it is called as the that is weak acids. This idea can be taken. Now again you should take second will be called as incomplete octet. Incomplete octet can be taken. Now when we have taken as a incomplete octet, that time generally what happens here? Generally when we have taken as incomplete octet means when we have taken as BF3 molecules, again BCl3 molecules, again you should take here that is other atoms which consist of octet is not completed. If we have taken BF3 means boron possesses 3 electrons, this can be possesses 3 electrons, only 6 electrons are present. And again what happens here? Here also 6 electrons are present, and this is called as the incomplete octet. Such compounds are also called as the electron deficient molecules. How they can be formed? How in the stability? This idea can be taken as concerned to incomplete octet compounds. Again you should take that is expanded octet compounds. That is expanded octet compounds. Now expanded octet compounds means also you should take that is PCl5 molecules, SEF6 molecules. Again you should take that is SEF4. Such compounds when we have taken, that time electrons becomes as concerned to greater to the 8 electrons. If we have taken here 10 electrons will becomes 5 from phosphorus, 5 from Cl. Again here that is 6 from sulfur, again 6 from that is chlorine, 12 electrons will becomes. Here that is you can say sulfur generally SeF4, SeF5, these compounds can be taken, and generally expanded octet molecules will becomes, they can be false. Again you should take that is some molecules which should be taken as concerned to double bonds. Double bond containing molecules, they can be acted as acids. Suppose we have taken here that is SO2, again SO2 you can say CO2, again SO3, these compounds can be acted as acids. Suppose we have taken here that is this will be CO2. What happens in case of CO2? Here double bond is present, here double bond is present. Again what happens? Plus when we have combines as concerned to OH minus, OH minus can be taken. This will be possesses the electrons here, and generally these electrons can be accepted by these carbons, and formation of, you can say here that COH. Again here that is O double bond can be taken. Generally you should take here that is COH will be taken here, that is you can say this is called as COOH. And generally what happens here? Formation of such compounds here, it can be acted as acid, it can be acted as base. Now these compounds can be also explained with the double bond containing compounds. Now this is the classification of Lewis acids. Again classification of Lewis bases. How the classification of Lewis bases can be taken? Lewis bases, when we have taken, all they consist of, all the anions can be taken when we have taken Lewis bases, we should take Lewis bases. First will be all anions can be taken. Now when we have taken, you should take here, that is Cl minus, Br minus, again you can say SO4 double minus, again you can say SO4 double minus, S double minus, such types of the ions when we have taken. Now halides can be studied under separate parts. All these ions, they will be taken as the anions, they act as the bases. Now again you should take second will be neutral molecules. Neutral molecules, when we have taken neutral molecules as like to ammonia, this ammonia, H2O, all they can be acted as neutral molecules. They behave as a basic compounds. Again third we have taken as the halides. When we have taken as the halides, you can say that is here HCF2, HCF4, HCF6, such compounds, these are called as the basic compounds. They act as the base. These ideas can be taken here. Now again you should take here, that is other compounds when we have taken AlCl3 plus COCl2. Exchange can be takes place, means here that is addition can be takes place from one Cl to another Cls. Also they can be acted as the bases. In this way basic compounds plays as a classification as like to this. Now again this theory possesses some merits. Which are the merits of Lewis concept? Lewis concept possesses advantages of Lewis concept. Now first point can be taken as concerned to advantages. Now Lewis concept can be explained acids and bases. As concerned, that is generally acids, bases, they will be when we have taken as the other theories. You can say Arrhenius theory, Bronsted-Lowry theory. When all these theories are unable to explain acids and bases, that time Lewis concept can be helps to describe, that is acids and bases. This idea is most important. When we have taken as the cations, they can be acted as acids, bases, they can be acted as the generally you can say negative ions, anions, they can be acted as the bases. This idea can be explained in case of the advantages. Now again what happens here, disadvantages can be taken. Which are the disadvantages? In case of disadvantages, what happens here? First disadvantages can be taken as relative strength of acids and bases is not explained with the help of Lewis concept. Relative, that is you can say strength of acids and bases is not calculated using of the Lewis concept. Now again second can be taken as when we have taken as this theory is called as electron transfer theory, and this can be takes very fast. And how this reaction can be explained? To explain this reaction, it will be becomes as a very difficult, and hence this is the limitations as concerned to Lewis concept. This can be explained only as concerned to electron acceptor acids, electron donor bases. This idea can be taken as concerned to complex formation theories, and therefore again Lux flood concept will becomes as concerned to explain acids and bases.